Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to join a friend's game in GTA 5 online. So the first thing that I suggest you to do here is to ask your friend to basically start a new session, and then you try to join friend's game and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, for yourself as well, try to restart GTA 5 and then try to join your friend's session. If it's not working, then what I suggest you to do here is to press escape or options button to open up this window. Then you need to go to online and then just leave GTA Online and go to the story mode, right? And after you will be on the story mode, you just need to quickly go back to GTA Online. And when you're in the story mode, press escape button or start again, go to online and then press play GTA Online, right? And hit enter as well. And if this doesn't do not work for you, what I suggest you to do here next is to go to press escape button, go to online, and then if you have friends online here, you can press join friends. Currently there is no friends on this account, so for me it's grayed out, but for you, if for example multiple friends is online, you can press on that, then select the friend, and you will automatically should join on the friends session. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.